Hi students, welcome to science class. In this class, we learn about atoms and molecules, that is chapter 3. In this, some concepts are be hidden, means skipped, and whatever in your examination point of view, that will discuss in this lesson. Okay, and after the words, you write this all points in your science fair notes. First one, the law of chemical combination. It is a very important point of view for your examination. Law of conservation of mass. In a law of chemical combination, there is a first one, law of conservation of mass, states that mass can neither be created nor destroyed in a chemical reaction. Remember that mass can neither be created nor destroyed in a chemical reaction. For that, you show the activity. We are showing the activity. Take some sodium sulfate solution and in a conical flask, barium chloride solution in an ignition tube, hang in ignition tube in a flask by thread, a pot, a cork, the flask. Find the mass in the flask on a balance. After that, then tilt the flask. After that, you measure the mass, it will be not changed. The second one, the law of constant proportions, states that in a chemical compound, the elements are always present in a definite proportion by mass. Remember that in a chemical compound, the elements are always present in a definite proportion by mass. For example, water. So hydrogen atomic number is 1, then its mass 2, then oxygen atomic number is 8, then its atomic mass is 16 or 1:8 by mass. It will be never changed. So it's called as law of constant proportion. If 9 gram of water is decomposed, we get 1 gram of hydrogen and 8 gram of oxygen. So the ammonia also show the same for this law. Ammonia formula is NH3, means 1 content of the nitrogen and 3 content of the hydrogen. So it's combined to the form NH3 ammonia. Two elements, nitrogen and hydrogen, combined together in the same ratio of 14:3. Remember that 14:3. Again, this is a short note on this law of conservation of mass proposed by the French chemist Antoine Lavoisier and law of definite proportion proposed by Louis Proust. Mass can be created nor destroyed in a chemical reaction. It's a law of conservation of mass, and a chemical compound always consists of the same elements combined together in the same ratio. So example, C plus O2 gives CO2, 12 gram of carbon and 32 gram of oxygen combined together form 44 gram of CO2, carbon dioxide. And here one molecule of a compound water always contains same ratio. For example, hydrogen and oxygen.